Namaskar! Once again, welcome to the Adani Maharashtra Premier League 2025. It's time for the Eliminator. We're live from the Maharashtra Cricket Association International Stadium, Gahunze in Pune. Raigad Royals have won the toss and they have decided to field first. No surprises there again. Winning the tosses, deciding to chase. There we go. That's the starting 11 for the Raigad Royals and the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Not a lot of changes for both the teams in the Eliminator. Rishabh Rathod, Siddeshveer, Harsangvi, Joshi, Khatpe, Borude, Jadhav, Sangvi, Vicky Ostwal, Nikhil Kadam, Shubham Kadam for the Royals. For the Tuskers, the star batters, top three, Ankit Bhavne, Sachin Das, Rahul Tripathi, is Matre, Shrikant Munde, Vishant More, Dhanraj Shinde, the powerful batter.
बिल्कुल बड़ी मैच है। सचिन दास 6 मैच खेले, 140 रन बनाए अब तक के लिए। अंकित बावने काफी एक्सपीरियंस बल्लेबाज है। सागर जादव अच्छे फॉर्म में है।
Let's play then. It's time for the eliminator of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League 2025. Raigad Royals taking on the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. The Raigad Royals won the toss, deciding to field. Checking the outfield, it's been raining, but brilliant work by the groundsman, making sure that we're all set for the eliminator. Here comes the first ball. Jadhav to Das. Yes, good sound of the bat and the ball if we talk of the pitch for the first time. Has he connected that one well? Yes, he has. There comes the first boundary in the eliminator.
ग्राउंड पे इंडिया में मैच नहीं होगा। पहले ही गेंद स्लो ओवर। मौका है रन आउट का। पहुंच गए बिल्कुल। थोड़ा सा जल्दी थ्रो।
Okay, he has made good his ground. I am ready for my.
अभी पीछे लिया है। ये बड़ा शॉट, कमाल का शॉट। पैरों में डाली थी गेंद। ये 6 रन के लिए सचिन दास।
Style and swag of Sachin Das on display. Perfect connection. There it goes. Deep in the stands. He missed the line this time around, Kadam, and you can't err on the line with Sachin Das.
और एक डीप पॉइंट लिया है। ये बड़ा शॉट, बिल्कुल कमाल का शॉट। ये 6 रन के लिए सचिन दास का ये दूसरा छक्का।
Goes for the big swing, takes the edge. But what's important for Sachin Das and the Tuskers is the result. 4 runs.
बिल्कुल चौका मिला यहाँ पर।
Goes for the big heave on the leg side. The deep square will have to run a few yards. He'll not be able to stop that. Sachin Das connects well, gets 4.
टाइम वाला चौका था। ये अच्छी गेंद और ये अपील। बढ़िया विकेट यहाँ पर सचिन दास की। क्रॉस सीम डाली थी ये गेंद। उछाल भी मिला गाइड करने के लिए गेंद थर्ड मैन की दिशा में। और ये ब्रेक के टाइम विकेट आई है। पहली विकेट सचिन दास की 23 पर और पीबीजी ग्रुप 38 पर 1।
यहां मौका बन सकता है और बन गया जी। तरह को
A little short of length, didn't quite get hold of it, and holding out to covers. A very good catch by Ajay there. And Tanay Sangvi proving once again that he is quite the wicket. Vishant More going back on 2. 41 for 2.
Siddharth Matre in at number 4. Nicely done there. Swept in front of square. Will get a boundary. That's a release shot coming after 18 deliveries.
Shrikant Munde after that. That is one top edge, very well bowled by Siddeshveer. But that top edge will go all the way for a boundary. Much needed boundary after 8 balls.
एट ऑल। ये बड़ा शॉट, ये कनेक्ट हुआ है। चौका मिलता है क्या? बढ़िया फील्डिंग यहाँ पर। 3 रन बचाए यहाँ पर। सिर्फ
Yeah, he's got enough on it. It goes the distance this time. Beaten for pace, he was probably a little.
बहुत बढ़िया थे टूर्नामेंट में। कमाल के कैचेस थे। और ये कॉट बिहाइंड, ये भी गुगली डाली थी। ये गुगली डाले थे, 3 गुगली डाले थे। ये थोड़ी ज्यादा बाहर थी और बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश, पर बढ़िया पोजीशन थे वहां पर। काफी बाहर निकल गए थे ऋषभ राठौड़। अच्छे पोजीशन में थे।
31 of 29. The Tuskers 85 for 3. Form. Oh, finally! No way! You cannot do that, Ankit Bhavne.
और ये कमाल का शॉट था, रिवर्स स्वीप, बिल्कुल ये गया स्टैंड में और खुद गिर भी गए। इनके गेंद पर गति भी है, उसके लिए बॉल भी बढ़िया टाइम हुआ, आ जाएगा मैच में। ये भी रिवर्स स्वीप, अपील यहाँ पर, बड़ी अपील। ये लगता है ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर है इम्पैक्ट, और टर्न भी मिल रहा है। ऋषभ बना कर रहे हैं, ये ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर है, ले लिया है।
Okay, original decision not out. Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. We go back on field to Ganesh.
In comes Shrikant Jadhav. Shrikant Munde, my apologies.
Again, Crunch this time on the leg side. A misfield will result in the boundary.
अंकित भावने ने ये बड़ी हिट मिल गई है जी, और बहुत दूर गई है गेंद। गेंद का चांद तारा बना दिया है श्रीकांत मुंडे ने।
Confidence a lot. Goes for it again. Hasn't connected. The field at cover. Should be an easy catch. And taken. So Kadam comes in.
That was a slower one. Tried to hoik that one towards a long on, but didn't quite get well. On the connect there, Shrikant Munde. And Omkar Khatme takes a good catch. Never easy, these tall catches at all.
कदम को मिलती हुई दूसरी सफलता। दिमाग से गेंदबाजी करते हैं, श्रीकांत मुंडे को जाना पड़ेगा वापस। इन्होंने बनाए 12। कोल्हापुर टस्कर्स।
In at number 7 is Dhanraj Shinde. There it comes. Yet another half century for Ankit Bhavne, and that's the 9th 50 for Ankit Bhavne in the Maharashtra Premier League. What a player, what a consistent performer he's been for the PVG Kolhapur Tuskers. Perfectly gauged there by Bislaji, and catch taken. Oh, wonderfully taken there. Goes the wicket.
Manundar, you just said so. He's going to bowl outside the off stump, the slower one, and he did that one. He's been very wily there, the bowler, Nikhil Kadam, and it's a very good catch taken by Ajay Borude. And that rings the bells.
At number 8 for the PVG Kolhapur Tuskers is Anand Thenge. And he's immediately called for the second run. Is he getting 4 for that?
Yeah. मिल गए जी, मिल गए, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है।
Hawkeye sitting with that Hawkeye Manvinder. Drinking वगैरह नहीं करता था, but the only thing is that, you know, I was very happy. And this is struck very well. Bowlers.
Oh, sweet sound. Some job for the fielder at sweepers, and he'll miss it again. So if Ankit Bhavne swings, and he swings it well. The fielder in the slot, he hasn't connected it. Fielder long on. This time will be
Long on. That was regulation delivery. Couldn't get hold of that one. I guess he got on the bottom of the bat. Khatme almost overrun that one. But in the end, Bhavne goes back on 57. 151 for 7.
a new batter in at number 9 is Deepak Dangi. Is he also going for in the slot, and the fielder at long on will be interested. Tough chance. Oh, and that's gone all the way. Was that?
The last ball coming up, and let's see what that brings in. That's a massive, massive, massive hit. Above the dugout. Fantastic shot, Anand Thenge. What a shot initially by Anand Thenge. Then, of course, this one.
33.
और देखिए ये होता है कि इम्पैक्ट, आखिर के 2 ओवर में बैटिंग करने आए थे, लेकिन अपनी टीम के लिए कितना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट छोड़ के गए हैं। 6 गेंदों में 26 रन बना के गए।
For the Raigad Royals, Nikhil Kadam, pick of the bowlers, has picked up 3 for 35. Tanay Sangvi picks up 2. a wicket for Vicky Ostwal and Shubham Kadam. But as of now, 165 runs in their allotted 20 overs. The required run rate is 8.25. We'll take a short break. On the other side of the break will be the chase.
The openers coming in for Raigad Royals are Siddesh Veer and Vicky Ostwal.
Seam that ball. He'll get movement, especially away from the right-hander. It's his Atman Pore will come in with some left arm pace in place of Dhanraj Shinde. Manny? And that's what we were talking about. The margin for error so little, especially with the new ball. It'll race away for a boundary.
इस सीजन में इसलिए मैं कह रहा था कि बार बार दिक्कत रही है इस टीम को. नई गेंद पे बहुत सारे बैटर्स ने स्ट्रगल किया है.
Oh, this could be disastrous. Oh, there's so much happening here. Oh, and he misses. Rahul Tripathi misses.
वहां पे वो कीपर अपनी जगह पे खड़े होते तो आराम से काम बन गया था.
Here's the replay. Manny is our new post-mortem expert. Oh, that's the collision. Now, have a look at where the keeper went. Because listen, there are so many different things to dissect in this one.
मुश्किल काम है यार.
Vicky Ostwal is well and fine. Good shot. Well, if anything, he started to bat a little better after that injury. Vicky Ostwal. He'll help himself along to a boundary.
बना सकते हो. डांगी नहीं, ये थोड़ी गड़बड़ किया. गलत शुरुआत है. बढ़िया शॉट सिद्धेश वीर का. ये बैट नेक्स्ट में गेंद हो सकती है. ये शॉट गेंद वापस. यहाँ पर चौका आएगा. ये दूसरा चौका इस ओवर में.
Siddesh Veer. This time, once again, back-to-back boundaries for Siddesh Veer. The test match at Lords. Cuts that one nicely. Will get a boundary.
डालने के लिए तो मार पड़ेगा. ये गलत शुरुआत यहाँ पर आनंद देंगे की. शॉट गेंद.
Dot ball, crunch. What a sweet sound of the bat.
Cuts that one nicely. Siddesh Veer is making
शॉट.
Oh, takes the inside edge, plays it on. Deepak Dangi gets his man. And that's the big fish.
यहाँ पर जो ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर डाली थी गेंद थोड़ी सी अंदर आई. लेट खेलने गए, कट खेलने गए. इनसाइड एज कहते हैं ना, इनकमिंग बॉल को कट मत मारिए. और वहीं बोल्ड.
Siddesh Veer walks off for 39. It's 76 for 1. Yes, Neeraj Joshi walks in at number 3 here.
Swept well, swept very well. 4 runs to end the over.
पास को आउट करना है, कैसे आउट करना है, कौन से एंड पे करना है. लेकिन बीच में देखिए आप, विकी ओसवाल क्या जबरदस्त हिट मारी है भाई. कदमों
How well has he connected that one? Oh yes, very well. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers not up to the mark today in the field.
A spot in the final. And Neeraj head. With that, 50 for Vicky Ostwal. Second 50 in the Adani MPL, and it's come in good time and more importantly on a big occasion. 106 for 1 in 12.
विकेट चाहिए. शॉट ये भी कमाल का है और 4 मिलेंगे. कमाल.
He's picked the bones out of that. Oh! It's one of those days for the Kolhapur Tuskers. Oh! And he drops it.
के लिए उतरी है ना. आज फील्डर्स ने निराश किया है और बहुत मुश्किल कैच नहीं था.
He'll get 4 for that. It's one of, like I said, it's one of those days where nothing's going the way of the Tuskers. It's also one of those days where everything's going in favor of the...
रन की साझेदारी होती हुई 38 गेंदों में.
Oh my word. He's just moving from strength.
पहले वाले मैचेस में कमाल का शॉट ये
Up in the air, long on, long on. Yes.
ये उंगलियां घुमाई थी, बड़ा शॉट मारने की तलाश में मिस टाइम हुआ, लॉन्ग ऑन पर आउट हो गए विकी ओसवाल। बढ़िया बारी खेली उन्होंने और ये मैच विकी ओसवाल ने 74 रन बनाए 54 गेंदों में 100।
Shot and dismissed out of sight. Go fetch that, says Neeraj Joshi. This time dances down the track. It's up, up and away. One more six to the name of Neeraj Joshi. Shot delivery, this time straight to long on. Sangvi has been dismissed for one. It's 155 for three. Time for the skipper, Rishabh Rathod, to walk out to bat with his side just 10 runs away. Rishabh Rathod up in the air. Oh, what a catch! Terrific catch in the dying state.
डाली थी गेंद, पूरा बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश, कोई शेप नहीं था शॉट्स में, बिल्कुल बढ़िया कैच दीपक डांगी ने डाइव मार के पकड़ा है। पहली गेंद पर विकेट आए, कोई रन 5 रन बनाए ऋषभ ने। 163 पर 4 रायगढ़ रॉयल्स खेली है अब तक, पर ये मौका है रन आउट का। ओह, ये रन बन गया, पहुंच गए थे बल्लेबाज।
Joshi on strike. Gets a single, runs through, that's it. Raigad Royals have made it to qualifier 2. They'll now take on 4S Puneri Bappa. They win by 6 wickets with 2 balls to spare. And Neeraj Joshi, Vicky Oswal take a ball. Terrific innings, takes them through to qualifier 2. We need to take a rest, come back very soon later this day to take on 4S Puneri Bappa in qualifier 2. Performance by Raigad Royals. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, after being asked to bat, made 164 for 7. Ankit Bhavne made 57, top scored. Nikhil Kadam took 3 wickets. Tanay Sangvi picked up 2 wickets. And Raigad Royals in their response won by 6 wickets with 2 balls to spare thanks to Vicky Ostwal, 74, and Siddesh.